And then Drake.
Yeah.
Ooh. Now, I was mad busy. I didn't get to listen to the song straight through the first time because I was out doing some stuff, blah, 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 getting to it. You know what I mean? But it's like, that joint hard.
Yeah.
That joint hard.
It's fine.
Now, hold on. I want to make sure I set this up right. It's funny because there was all right, so it's funny because the song started off with I would tell you, I would keep it PG. Yeah. Remember, that's how he ended his previous one. So he was clearly setting this one up like that. I think the first verse off of that was all kind of new stuff because he was referencing it, but he had the second joints where he's dissing everybody and Kendrick. I think that was already kind of made up. They had the whole music video. You could tell this was the red button atomic bomb.
He thought that was the kill shot.
You seen the I never seen a campaign for a diss track like that.
So
all the cronies.
He had a rollout for the diss track.
Yes, it was a rollout.
The video,
the memes, the this.
That was the most light-skinned way to respond, yo.
He thought
video.
I thought. I'm like, and I'm saying in real time, I'm like, Doug, if this is not wipe out everything, you in some trouble because it was presented that way. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm like, Drake he's a really dope artist, good, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure he gonna know something or be able to create something to have you think something.
One bar, I'm sure that bothered a lot of people, and I heard people online talk about it. Was definitely the slave joint.
That was not a good.
But that's the why you say I'm with
Euphoria.
The culture feeling.
Euphoria is
out of touch sometimes, dog. And this is why a lot of the reason I felt like he lost. He was just out of touch, and he underestimated his opponent. Because this whole...
You said that.
Yeah.
You called that. Yeah. You called that.
Yes.
No, it's like... Nah, it's crazy right now.
Because what happened?
He slightly underestimated him. And I also think if he would have been able to release this... I actually don't know which way he would have.
Maybe he forgot how big his fan base really is.
He did. He underestimated...
Because he don't drop all the time.
Let's just say the Stanleys and the Trolls and the real fans on Kendrick, he underestimated it, yo.
Yeah,
he really underestimated it.
I think it's even more than like maybe because I don't know as far as if it was all just the Kendrick fans or if it was the Kendrick fans plus the
and
people
the
that
Drake
hate
fans
Drake.
turning.
Yeah,
the people that absolutely hate Drake and have hated Drake. This was. I don't even like Kendrick. There's a lot of people that say I don't even really rock with Kendrick like that, but this is fire.
This is the first time we're seeing people turn against Drake. Like,
and that's the thing. Both sides, it could have flipped on him really badly because you know how crazy the Drake the Knights fan bases, the Stanleys. It's crazy on it. So whoever could get and put a little crack in that first can get to it. So Drake come out, man, track with fire, 3 beat flips. Getting at everybody, that's one of the problems.
Yeah, he
Kendrick
should have
said,
shot
this ain't a 20 verse
Kendrick.
1. This is me versus actually 20 of y'all, but I'm going to let it be just you.
Yeah. Because you are 20 with your writers and shit.
He started focusing on this, but he did bring out the, he said Kenny was putting hands and
he
his
was
wife
doing
and all
his
that.
thing.
He was going. And then his wife getting tossed up and his best friend and all that, blah, blah, blah.
That's real, like, hypocritical of him. I'm not going to lie. Like, you can't support Tory and then try to call out another black man for abusing a woman. Like, you can't be like, yo, free Tory. Allegedly, allegedly. If he did it, you're supporting him.
It's a lot of hypocrisies that was
a lot of hypocrisy
in this shit.
It was a
lot of hypocrisy.
Does that make you look at Kendrick different if one of his kids is like his friend and managers?
You know what? That's a great question. I found it interesting because yes, if something gets revealed like that during rap battle, it is a leg up if it's true. Even if it's not true and it's planted properly, it's a leg up. But I was like, how much of it is a leg to stand on if it's not you? Yeah, and it's one thing if you first off, that's why your wife bad. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's different.
That's what
people, but still to this day, people speculate.
Yeah.
Like this is 30 years later. Dang near like so like that's different from you saying this other guy. It's weird. It's like it's I don't know. Yeah. That's why it's like it wasn't a nuke. It could have been for the average person. That would have got them out of there. It was definitely a nuke. They expected it to be a nuke, but
and they came back with their own.
It fell short, brother. He didn't, and he did. What you want to say?
Yeah,